So guys, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. When I first got my Dualtron Thunder 2, I was having this issue where the handlebars was moving a little bit. Like if you go up and down, it moves. So I did know that some people also had the same issue. So I contacted Mini Motors USA, and they did tell me that it's these two bolts that are in the front right here that I'm pointing at, that I need to loosen them up and then use a red Loctite to tighten it. So I did not use the red Loctite because I know how difficult it is to take off. So I used the blue Loctite. I put a lot of it on there and then tighten it back up, and then the movement went away. It's just a little play on the handlebar. I didn't like it, but it went away after that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.